Give us the details then on what it is that's driving this rally.
Well, there's a few things at play here. One is that obviously that Chinese stocks have been beaten down quite severely recently, and I'm concerned about their shrinking margins, and because of their role in the economy, they're continuously called on by the government to support the Chinese economy. The slump in the nation's real estate market has always weighed in, so they were all trading far below book value. Many banks now have been cutting their deposit rates, which has added some optimism on the margin issue. The other issue is increased rhetoric from Chinese officials that state-owned enterprises are undervalued, something that's being called the valuation system with Chinese characteristics. The play here is that there will be some sort of reform moves to boost these shares.
Okay, that's an interesting name for it. Jonas, does this have legs then? Does this carry on? Because some of these moves have been quite out of the ordinary.
Yeah, it was quite explosive moves today, frankly, and I mean it's really hard to kind of pinpoint, but clearly it's driven by momentum. But there's still a lot of headwinds, and analysts caution on margins that margins will be hard for the Chinese banks to keep up this year. So as I mentioned earlier, the fragile state of the Chinese economy. Small adjustments to deposit rates are not that meaningful in that sense. So, and they will likely be continued to be roped in to provide support for the economy by giving cheap loans to small businesses and consumers. So it's hard to say whether this rally has legs, but it certainly has a momentum today.